Thanks for tuning in. We've got 3 more boxes from the AliExpress 11/11/2023 sale. I purchased 7 watches in total. So this is 4, 5, and 6. I was hoping number 7 would arrive so I could do like a quadruple unboxing, but I guess this will have to do. Let's go from left to right. Let's see what we've got here. Oh boy, this tape, I tell you, this tape, bittersweet seeing this tape, because at least we know it hasn't been cracked into in transit, but at the same time it's hard to know where all the seams are. So I'm gonna make a hash of this box. This box will be no good after I'm done with it. Oh boy. This is not going to end well. Oh well, it's only cardboard. Oh, look at that. I got used to getting the Pagani design flip-top boxes, but this one is a lift-off. What do we have here? Ah, the moon watch. Okay. On a strap. Yeah, I think I wanted a strap because I've got a moon swatch, and I wanted to see what. Wow, this is really nice. I got this because I wanted to see how it would compare to the moon swatch. So I'll be doing a head-to-head on that. Very nice leather strap. It's the PD 1701, and I'm pretty sure this is the version 5 because I wanted the latest version. Sapphire crystal, screw down case back. Nicely finished, of course, as we've come to expect from Pagani design. So let's put that away and put it off to the side. And let's go for number 2. Number two. Or, I mean, number 5. Number 5 in total, number 2 from this batch. Another clamshell box that does not have the magnetic flip. I wonder if they've stopped doing that, because some have reported that the magnetic tab box interfered with the automatic movement. So it wouldn't surprise me that they've gone with these. Either that, or they went with these boxes to differentiate them for the sale. Quite possible. Okay, it's the No Time to Die on a mesh strap. Very nice. Yep, very, very nice. Very sweet. Oh, a display case back, and this is my first mesh sleeve, so it'll be, or mesh band, I should say. So it'll be interesting to see how it fits, how it feels. Extra NATO strap. That's a nice touch, but I hate NATOs, so it'll probably find its way in a box somewhere, and it'll never get used. And finally, number 3 from this batch, watch number 6 from my purchase haul. And again, it looks like another clam type box without the magnetic lock tab, closure tab. I'm going to invest in a placemat, probably the Canadian flag since I'm from Canada, because it'll be a lot better than this microfiber cloth that keeps going around, moving around. Oh, solid black NATO strap with this. And this is one I've been eagerly awaiting. This is the Black Bay Homage. It's the version 2. And the version 2 has a flat dial. The version 1 had a waffle dial, which I really didn't care for. So I ended up ordering the Benyar version at the time. And when I got the Benyar, it's a very nice watch and really nicely finished for Benyar, surprisingly enough. But the red on the bezel, it wasn't a burgundy like this is. This is really, really, really sharp. So this actually has a burgundy bezel, which is a lot truer to the watch it's homaging. And I'm going to be doing a comparison between this and the Benyar and what you get for your money, and you know where you stand, what's worth it to you. Is it worth going to the Pagani? Are you going to be happy with the Benyar? I think those are important decisions people need to make. I know a lot of people poo-poo over Benyar because it's an alloy case, and quite honestly, that's not that big of a deal for a lot of people, because yes, the specs on a Pagani are better, but it's also twice the money as a Benyar, and not everybody wants to spend or can't afford to spend that kind of money on a watch. Maybe they'll get there one day, maybe it's not important to them. Maybe they'd rather take their significant other out to a nice dinner instead. And that's perfectly okay. The whole point of this hobby is to buy what you enjoy, buy what you like, and don't obsess over specs as much, because really, in the end, one day you're going to be 6 feet under, or you're going to be lying in a hospital bed, and this stuff is just not going to matter one bit. But while we're able to enjoy it, you know, there's enjoyment to be found in everything, at every price point, from every brand out there. With billions of people on the planet, you know, there's something for everybody. I hope you enjoyed this content, and I look forward to posting more in the near future when watch number 7 arrives. Thanks, and have yourselves a great day.